Hello everyone, welcome to Language Verse. Today we have a very special story for you. The story is called The Golden Apple and the Kind Heart. This story is perfect for beginners, level A1. Why? Because we use the simple present tense for almost every sentence. You can learn how to talk about people, feelings, and daily actions. Are you ready to learn English and hear a beautiful story? Let's begin. The Golden Apple and the Kind Heart. This is a story about two people. One person is very good. Her name is Sarah. One person is not good. His name is Mr. James. Sarah is a young girl. She lives in a small wooden house. Her house is near a green forest. Sarah has a small garden. She loves her garden very much. Every morning, Sarah wakes up at 6 o'clock. She goes to her garden. She carries a small blue bottle with water. She waters the red flowers. She waters the green grass. Sarah talks to the plants. She says, "Grow, my beautiful flowers. The sun is warm today." In the middle of her garden, there is a special tree. It is a very old tree. Every year, the tree grows one special fruit. It is a golden apple. The apple is not red. It is not green. It is bright yellow. It shines like a star in the night. Sarah looks at the apple every day. She does not take the apple. She does not eat it. She thinks the apple is a gift from nature. Now let's talk about Mr. James. Mr. James is a very rich man. He lives in a big, cold castle on a hill. He has many gold coins. He has many expensive cars. But Mr. James is a greedy man. He is not happy. He does not smile. He does not have friends. He thinks, "I want more gold. I want to be the richest man in the world." One day, Mr. James hears about Sarah's garden. A bird tells him about the golden apple. Mr. James' eyes grow big. He says, "A golden apple? That is amazing. I want that apple. I can sell it and get more money." Mr. James walks to Sarah's house. He wears a long black coat and a tall black hat. He looks very serious. He reaches the garden and sees Sarah. Sarah is busy. She feeds a small bird. The bird eats seeds from her hand. Mr. James shouts, "Hey girl, give me that golden apple. I am a rich man. I have money. I want that apple in my castle." Sarah stops. She looks at Mr. James. She is not afraid. She says, "Good morning, Mr. James. This apple is special. It is not for sale. It belongs to the garden. Do you have a kind heart?" Mr. James laughs. His laugh is loud and cold. He says, "A kind heart? I don't need a heart. I have gold. I have power. Give it to me now." Mr. James runs to the tree. He reaches his hand to touch the golden apple. But something strange happens. The moment his fingers touch the apple, the gold disappears. The apple turns into a heavy, grey stone. It is cold and ugly. Mr. James is very angry. He shouts, "What is this? This is a trick. Where is my gold?" Sarah says quietly, "The apple is a mirror, Mr. James. It shows your heart. Your heart is cold like a stone. You are greedy. You only want to take. You do not want to give." Mr. James sits on the ground. He looks at the grey stone. He feels sad. For the first time, he feels lonely. He looks at his big castle. It is empty. He looks at his gold. It is just metal. He looks at Sarah. She is happy with her small garden and her little bird. He asks Sarah, "How do I fix this? I am tired of being lonely. I want to be happy like you." Sarah smiles. She says, "It is simple. You must change your heart. You must help others. Look at that bird. It is thirsty. Look at that old woman. She carries a heavy bag. Help them." Mr. James stands up. He sees the little bird. The bird looks for water. Mr. James takes his silver cup. He fills it with water. He gives it to the bird. The bird drinks and chirps. Then Mr. James sees an old woman on the road. He runs to her. He says, "Let me help you, madam." He carries her back to her house. The woman says, "Thank you, sir. You are a very kind man." Mr. James feels a warm feeling in his chest. It is a new feeling. It is called kindness. He returns to Sarah's garden. He looks at the grey stone on the tree. Slowly, the grey color disappears. The bright yellow color returns. The stone becomes a golden apple again. Mr. James looks at Sarah. He says, "Thank you, Sarah. Now I understand. Money is not everything. Being kind is the real gold." Sarah takes the golden apple. She cuts the apple into many small pieces. She gives a piece to Mr. James. She gives a piece to the old woman. She gives a piece to the children in the village. Now Mr. James is a different person. He opens his castle for the poor. He buys books for the school. He works in the garden with Sarah every weekend. He is finally happy. Every day he practices being kind. And Sarah is happy too because she has a new friend.